Morning, kids. Welcome to another great week of school. So for evens this week, you are with me always on Mondays and Thursdays. So we're going to be doing a little bit of histograms. We're going to learn about what type of graphs those are. We're going to do an activity in Desmos this week on Monday. On Tuesday, you are going to do some independent learning. You're going to actually learn about different types of graphs. I have 2 different videos and 2 different pictures of notes that you can use to help make your own notes. Make sure that you do the reflection part and add the questions to them. If you don't want to take the notes and want to print them off on your own, print those 2 and finish them off. Wednesday, you are going to be required to go on MobyMax and do a minimum of 30 minutes to get credit for the day, and then there's an exit ticket at the end. On Thursday, you're with me. We're going to do a measure of center activity again, using graphs, and then on Friday you're going to continue that activity on your own. And there will be no exit ticket on Friday. I will be erasing that. Have a great week, and I can't wait to see you in class.